Today we are MSC Yacht Club to go to Bahama for 7 days. This is our room. First is our bathroom here. Very clean, very clean. And this is closet, and this is our room. Very nice, very nice. And this is our complimentary mini bars. So I got everything here. It's all free, all included. And coffee machines. This is our room from. This is view of Manhattan and New Jersey and Statue of Liberty, and our deck. Very nice. Room is clean and very spacious. We're gonna stay here for 7 days. Beautiful. This is the MSC Yacht Club. Now we are leaving to the Bahama. We are many times in Bahama, but we're still exciting. We're still exciting. It's moving. Passing